Well, hello everybody. Thank you for joining me today. And I want to say Happy New Year to everybody, 2021. This is just a disclosure. So I'm going to spend some time to read this disclosure and we're going to move forward. All right. So this is Frog Splash Learning Academy. Frog Splash Learning Academy. So who are we? We are International Learning Academy. We offer learning program from middle school to high school to college students. There are certain circumstances where we also teach elementary students. Our phone number here is 770-875-6276. For those of us who want to reach us outside or overseas, international, our number here, you can use us, you can contact us by using WhatsApp. The country code is +1, and that's how you will be able to reach us for more information. The platform that we normally would use would be Zoom and Google Meet. Zoom or Google Meet. My preference is Zoom, but we can also use Google Meet. Okay, so we have Frog Splash Learning Academy. What do? We offer virtual learning for students. We have comprehensive practice exams. So we cover elementary, middle, high school, and also we offer college prep exams help. We also offer college admission consulting for students who are in United States and also overseas who are planning to come to school here in United States. We offer free phone consultation to get an idea of what you're trying to accomplish. Of course, we have 15 years of experience. And some of the courses we offer are SAT, ACT, Advanced Placement, ACCUPLACER, ASVAB, a few of nursing exam courses. And for graduates, we have GRE and GMAT. For our international students, primarily those in Canada, Australia, UK, Switzerland. We also offer help for you to take your SAT, ACT, TOEFL, IELTS. Those are international exams to show your proficiency